Hurricane Gilbert, Jamaica's Day of Reckoning. On September 12, 1988, Jamaicans woke to an eerie calm. The skies over Kingston carried a gray, heavy stillness, the kind that warns of something monstrous lurking beyond the horizon. That morning, radios crackled with alerts. Hurricane Gilbert was barreling toward the island. Few imagined just how devastating it would be. By afternoon, Gilbert, a Category 3 storm with sustained winds of 125 mph, 200 km/h, slammed into Jamaica's eastern coast. The island, only 146 miles long, had nowhere to hide. Trees snapped like matchsticks. Power lines whipped through the air and roofs peeled away from homes as if plucked by giant hands. Entire neighborhoods disappeared under floodwaters, and landslides swallowed mountain roads. The capital city, Kingston, became unrecognizable. Sheet metal flew through the streets like knives, shattering windows and slicing power poles. In rural communities, banana plantations were flattened, coconut trees stripped bare, and livestock washed away in raging rivers. Jamaica's lush greenery turned brown overnight. For nearly 24 hours, Gilbert unleashed its fury, crawling across the island from east to west, pounding every parish. By the time the storm's eye passed, more than 800,000 people, nearly every Jamaican, had been affected. Hundreds of thousands were left homeless and 49 lives were lost. The damage was catastrophic. Entire farming industries were decimated, water systems destroyed, and 95% of the island was without electricity. Yet even in the darkness, resilience shone through. Jamaicans formed community kitchens, cooking meals over open fires. Neighbors shared what little they had, cutting fallen trees into lumber to rebuild. Music stations, once back on the air, played hopeful reggae songs offering comfort in the chaos. Hurricane Gilbert was the most powerful storm to ever strike Jamaica in recorded history at the time, causing an estimated $4 billion USD in damage across the Caribbean. But the storm also became a symbol of Jamaican strength, proof that even against nature's fury, the island's spirit could not be broken. Today, Gilbert is remembered not just as a hurricane, but as a turning point in Jamaican history, a day when an entire nation was tested and stood firm.